Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix the rough idle or the unstable idle on 2017 Honda Civic LX trim. So guys, the issue here is there's a vibration, like, and I feel literally on my, like, the floor of the car, even on the seat, feels like it's struggling to be turned on. So probably one of the ignition coil or spark plug, or maybe the oxygen sensor. So we need to figure it out, or maybe just the throttle body needs to be cleaned. So if you can see the RPM, it's not stable, it's just going up and down. I'll zoom it for you guys. So right now it's doing good, but the vibration, I can still feel it. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is try to clean the throttle body with this cleaner. So throttle body is right here, and so I open this air cleaner and already unplug the MAF sensor, our airflow sensor. Right from this sensor I removed the socket. So, and I already unscrewed this 2 Phillips screw over here. So it looks pretty clean, but still I'm gonna spray some contact cleaner on this part. And then for this, you need to just press this metal clip in order to pull out this line here. And then after that, I loosen up this clamp here. I hope you can see that. Okay. Yeah, then we'll be able to remove it. And make sure you check your air cleaner as well. So for me, it looks clean on the other side, but inside you see. And so I'll replace this as well, and we'll see if that will resolve the issue. Okay, let me just pause the video and I'll continue taking this part out. So guys, able to remove it. Yes, here you are. So you can see. So guys, as you can see, there's the carbon deposit, you can see. So it really needs a clean up. Wait, let me just try to flip it open. It's kind of hard. There you go, it's moving. So make sure while doing, like, cleaning this, you don't want to spray it directly. So because this throttle bodies nowadays is not like the one like we used before, like traditionally. So these are a lot more sensitive. So I suggest you just spray on a rug or on a cloth, and then wipe it all around, and try to push the top area so it will flip open, and just try to reach as much as you can, but be very gentle and careful. So guys, hopefully you can see, it's really you can see the carbon deposit on the edge of this flap here, and it's much worse inside. So we are going to clean that. And make sure when you return it, don't hit it back intensively. So guys, as you can see, it is much cleaner. You see the lip of the flap here. Sorry about the focusing. It's supposed to, yeah, there you go. So I tried as much as I can. So now I'm gonna put back everything in reverse order. Guys, so welcome back after cleaning the throttle body. So let's turn it on and give it a try. Okay, so as I can see, the RPM needle is still fluctuating, still a little bouncy, but overall inside the car I don't feel that vibration or the struggle, you know, engine is struggling to reach that certain RPM. And even the set point for the RPM now, the idle, it's close to 900. It drops to 850 sometimes, but before it was like around 700 to 750. Maybe that's why it causes like more vibrations, or it feels like it's gonna, you know, just shut down or turn off. So it helped a little, not a little, like I don't feel any vibration right now. It's just when I look at the needle, it's still, pulsating, or it's bouncing back and forth, like up and down. So probably the next thing I'm gonna do is change the spark plugs, because I pull one of the spark plug and then I check it out. It looks like burnt, and there's like a black carbon deposit. I don't know, like is it from oil or what? But looks like it's pretty much burned out. So on next video I'm gonna show how to change the spark plugs, and we'll give you an update on this bouncing idle. But for the vibration and the, like the feeling that the car is dying on you, that thing got solved. So make sure clean your throttle body at least, once in a while. Have a quick look and check for the carbon deposit on the flap. And if you feel like you need to do, then just, wipe it down. And if you have like an old Civic, then you might spray, a little bit on the flap, on straight on the throttle body. But if you have like a modern one, like 2016 and up maybe, or yeah, so just try to wipe it with the, like with a cloth. So guys, so while the engine is warming up, you can see the idles going down. It's idling a little low compared when we started up. So yeah, but for sure no vibrations anymore. So thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and we'll change the spark plugs, and we'll go from there. Okay guys, take care.